Today I came across a teacher's remark on a child's worksheet and I felt like coming up here for us to talk about it. It's a very good afternoon from my end. My name is Uchama Ifoma, your celebrity teacher. I was going round when I came across a teacher's remark on a child's worksheet and I felt like talking about it, that we need to improve on our comments, on our remarks on our children's worksheets. This remark helps to improve feedbacks on a child's work. It makes marking meaningful and supportive. As I want to encourage all teachers, let us all move away from those short routine comments like saying, checked, correct, and all that. Instead, let's use a descriptive, child-centered phrases that will actually reflect that child's current performance and progress. For example, maybe you're a class teacher, you're in a class where a particular child is actually struggling with spellings, and all of a sudden, maybe after the day activity or the worksheet shared out when you're marking, surprisingly, you notice that that child that is lacking behind has really did well. Instead of going checked, saying correct, why not go, wow, you're improving in your spellings, well done, keep it up. Or maybe you give a creative writing for them to write, like you just spot their creativity. All of a sudden you're seeing them coming up with wonderful points or beautiful way of putting up this creative writing. Instead of going checked or saying, you could actually go, well done for showing creativity in your writing. Those of them that did not arrange it well, you can also give them good attempts, but let's review how you arranged your work. At that point, you're showing that child where he or she is. You're showing that child his current performance rather than going check, saying correct. As we've learned to use this descriptive, child-centered comments, we can also teach these children to go back and give us a feedback, to reply our comments below our own comment. Like that child struggling for spellings, that you were like, wow, you're improving on your spellings, keep it up. That child could actually come below and be like, okay, teacher, thank you so much. Teach the child to pen it down. It's a way of making marking a two-way communication and encourage these children to do more, So please, teachers, let us stop that short routine, analog way of marking and make use of more of descriptive, child-centered comment. I think it will yield a better result and the level of productivity will go high because every child will want to be the teacher's friend. So thank you as we're striving to make the industry a better place. Thank you and remain blessed.